Hey friends, if you wish to enable and use the Xbox game bar on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Xbox game bar or simply press Windows plus G and this opens the Xbox game bar. So the shortcut is the easier method and it allows you a lot of functions not only with games. It will show you the time, it will let you adjust the volume of the game. Other than that, it will give you game assist through Edge. It will allow you to record the screen and record the game. It will share the GPU performance and everything in a single bar on the left hand side. So this is an excellent tool and I strongly recommend using this if you are an avid gamer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.